Today, I urge you to embrace the difficulties that arise. Today, I urge you to tackle the challenges head-on. Today, I urge you to develop a passion for the process. There will be countless moments where you might feel disheartened, lose enthusiasm, or think it's not destined to be. However, if you aim to fulfill your destiny, you need a resolute mindset. Surrendering after the first, fifth, or 30th attempt simply means the desire wasn't strong enough. You must be steadfast in your pursuit, believing relentlessly, unmoved by seeming impossibilities or the duration it takes. Don't be swayed by rejections or discouraged by prolonged efforts. Maintain the mindset that you will never cease to believe, refusing to accept no as an answer, and never settling for less. Persist in chasing what resonates with your heart. Ask yourself, what is it that I truly desire? Document it. Writing stimulates thought, which fosters visualization, building a vision within your mind. It is visionaries who alter the course of history. Consider this: maintaining a competitive edge requires repetitive mental preparation. While the body has its limits, the mind knows none. We often focus solely on the physical aspects, forgetting everything starts in the mind. If you aren't mentally prepared, you aren't fully ready physically. That's where preparation begins. Imagine a future where you overcome your fears and take bold steps forward. I urge you to act, for inaction will lead life to overwhelm you until you capitulate. When you're young and erring, don't let mistakes define you. Every successful person has faced failures. Success requires toughness, as the path is perpetually under construction. Stay determined through the setbacks, which often precede major breakthroughs. Life's challenges, whatever they may be, can only be surmounted by moving forward. Take a step each day, regardless of the obstacles. I envision the outcome before the beginning. This foresight drove me through intense preparation and visualizing my success repeatedly, making the eventual triumph not just a goal but a vivid reality. This visualization is my greatest tool. As we discussed before, few heed advice to seek knowledge, like reading recommended books, despite their accessibility and potential impact. Most avoid responsibilities, blaming external factors instead of accepting their role in their own failures. Shift away from the majority. Take responsibility not just for your actions, but occasionally for others in leadership contexts. In managing weaknesses, seek partnerships where others excel. Understanding your strengths builds resilience and readiness for challenges. In the competitive arena of professional sports, like basketball, players like Bill Russell exemplify the importance of responsibility and a desire to control the game's outcome, demonstrating that true readiness transcends statistics. This mindset is pivotal not only in sports but in all aspects of life, where accepting responsibility can lead to remarkable success and fulfillment.